All right, guys, I got a 1998 Jeep Cherokee. Okay, this thing has 222,000 miles on it. I just removed the original starter that was put in this car in 1998 when it was built. That right there blew my mind, because you don't see that, especially from Chrysler, because they don't make nothing but pure junk since it became Chrysler Fiat, whatever the hell it is. So here we go, guys. This is the brand new one, and I'm about to put it. Let me show you guys. It has two bolts. You see one right there. This is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need the 14. Okay. You're gonna need 916, and you're gonna need a 15. That's all you're gonna need. This right here, the 14, is for this. When you put the conductor, you see it? And good thing I just looked, because I need the little one too. So I gotta get that ready right there for this one. So let's see what we're gonna need for that. What a knucklehead I am. Can't believe I forgot that. Okay, no, that's a little bigger. We're gonna get this thing done, guys. There we go. It's a 516. Okay. And got this right here for that one. So yeah, I got all the tools. I got everything ready, because I am in a hill. Okay. The best way for me to do this, let me show you guys. Let's go ahead and go under. Let me go ahead and... Okay. Give me 1 second. Show you guys where it's at. That's where it goes. You see it? Right there on the transmission. So it goes on the side of the transmission under your oil filter. And there's the plug. You see it? Make sure that you unhook your battery. If not, these plugs will be hot, and you don't want them touching on the body of your car. You will have a big problem. So yeah, you just put it right there. Boom. It's easy. 2 bolts to remove and 2 bolts to unplug it. Make sure you unplug it first before you move it. You don't want the starter hanging on those wires. Even though they're strong enough, still. Hey, this is a very old Jeep. It has oil leaks. It has a whole bunch of stuff, but it has some million new parts in it. The person that used to own it didn't use their head. Money, but just money, until they finally got a new car. Because I told them, I say, well, this thing's going to be broken every week with something new. So when I got it, it was given to me. I had to put, let me show you guys where we at it. I put you can't see them right there. New brake rotors, brake calipers, shocks, you name it. You feel me? It still runs perfect without a problem. This is the 3rd transmission that it has had already. I'm just driving in until it says no more, and then I'm just parking somewhere here in my land and just, hey, let it be. You feel me? I'm hearing some noise up there. I got 13 acres. Where's my dogs at? They're around. Where's my dogs at? Yeah, I got dogs. But yeah, guys, give you a little peek of the engine. So yeah, there you go. I bought it on Amazon. Okay, $62, free shipping, tax, and everything. So, all right. Thanks for watching. This is Michael, and subscribe.